Many years ago, I had featured this phone in a video, and it's a Sony 25 channel, I think. Old, not even 900 megahertz cordless phone. The battery that was in it is this one, and it was a true Radio Shack battery replacement for the original. I didn't have any of these size batteries, so I had to order some. So in ordering some for an old phone that is used twice a year, if I happen to be over there and pick it up, I didn't want to spend money on it, but I figured, why not? And it might open up an avenue for another phone video at one point or another. So I bought based on price. So I went on Amazon, probably should have gone on Fleabay, and I found this one. Exactly the same form factor, exactly the same everything, except for the plug, of course. And I knew that going into it, so I wasn't really that concerned about it. And I'm just going to clip the cord off of that, and solder it on. So let's do it. Alright, I got the iron cooking up, and you really don't want the cord to be much longer. They are almost the same length, so if I cut them both about halfway, call that good. This is the new one, the old plug, red to red, black to black, no Chinesery involved. So I'm going to strip this, connect them, and put heat shrink on there. Probably not. How is this going to fit? This didn't work out the way exactly I had planned. How does this open, even? If I cut that in half, is that going to be maybe just enough? I don't know. We'll have to see. So there's that. Great. Oh, that's a pain in the ass. That's a royal pain in the ass. I don't know if that's going to work now. Maybe. We'll have to see, I guess. Won't know till the job's done. Oh well. Anyway, such is. My other strippers that would not do that, they wouldn't fit. I definitely should have made these wires longer, so I'm having remorse about that already. Just barely. Alright, I'm going to work on this because this is real close-up stuff and I can't see it. So, let me see if I can put this together and we'll solder it. Okay, this is beyond awful. This was a huge mistake not cutting those wires longer. I'm splicing this in a way that it's not the right way to do this, but I'm doing it anyway because basically I fucked up. I just don't want to melt the heat shrink. There you go. I'm also using my left hand to solder, which is wrong because I'm right-handed, so I'm shaky. Oh yeah, this is not good. That'll work. Okay, that should do. Take her out. Yeah, it worked. Okay, get reconfigured, get the heat gun. Alright, without breaking this, I'd like to see... Yeah, it's probably not going to work. Okay, that'll work like that. And this, if I bend this way, will work like that. Sorta. Oh, it did melt the heat shrink a little. Should be just enough to get over that, though. Yeah, there we go. I don't think it's going to be long enough. That's going to suck. Whoa, hang on. My thing moved. Okay, take two. Let's try that again. Should be plenty good and hot now. It's insulated. It's not going anywhere. These rat bastards put the plug in there like that. I mean, how? Why? Can't you design this just a little bit better? I don't remember which way the wire goes in. I guess we'll try the other way. I'm not a phone twerp, so... Oh, there we go. Okay. Yes, it works. It's not syncing up because I got to hang it up on the thing. Can I get the battery in? Yes, he did it. He did it. Awesome. Let me go hang this up and come back. I'll go press the page button on the base, which is over here. It works. There's a dial tone. Wow. Hello? Hello? Did I misdial? Okay, that's weird. Let's try that again.
Thank you for calling HB.
Ah, it works. Good. Okay. No sense ringing the phone because you heard it ring. I made a call. You didn't even need to see that. So there's your there's your phone twerpiness for a while. This phone is back in service. I did buy one more of these that I'm probably going to have to do the same thing to at one point or another. This battery's junk. No idea how old it is. I don't know if there's a date code that anybody can decipher on that. 07A05. Let me see if I can make any sense out of that. Catalog number 23-281, 07A05, maybe 2005? So if that's the case, it's almost 2022 at the time of recording. It's December 26, 2021. So that would be 15, 16, 17 years. That's enough life out of a battery. So I fucked up, but I won anyway. And there you go. It now works once again. And chances are very good the battery in it will go bad before I actually use the phone. But there we go. Screwed up, and I fixed it. Awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.